Ever wondered how scientists make groundbreaking discoveries? What tools aid them in their quest for knowledge? Science is a world of wonder, filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. If we peel back the layers of this fascinating world, we find that laboratory equipment plays a pivotal role. These aren't just tools. They are the eyes and hands of a scientist, enabling them to observe, measure, and analyze phenomena that would otherwise remain hidden. From microscopes that let us peer into the microscopic universe, to centrifuges that separate substances based on density, each piece of equipment serves a unique purpose. They are the silent partners in every scientific breakthrough, working tirelessly in the background, aiding researchers in their endless pursuit of knowledge. Whether it's about understanding the nature of a deadly virus or creating life-saving medicine, these tools make it possible. Now let's delve into the world of lab equipment and explore some of the most commonly used tools in scientific research. Imagine trying to examine a tiny bacterium with your naked eye. Impossible, right? That's where the microscope comes in. This powerful tool allows us to see the unseen, illuminating the microscopic world in all its intricate detail. From the structure of a single cell to the complex patterns of bacteria colonies, the microscope transforms the invisible into the visible, making the tiny giants of our world accessible for study and analysis. Now, let's shift our focus to the centrifuge, another essential lab tool. Picture a merry-go-round spinning at high speed. This is what a centrifuge does, but instead of children, it's spinning tubes filled with substances. As it spins, the denser particles are pushed outward, separating the substance based on density. This allows scientists to isolate specific components for further study. From examining microscopic organisms to separating substances, these tools are indispensable. In a lab, you'll often see a small device producing a blue flame. That's the Bunsen burner. But what does it do? This humble piece of equipment plays a crucial role in science. It's used to produce an open flame, which is then employed in heating and sterilizing laboratory equipment. By adjusting the flame's temperature, scientists can heat substances to precise degrees, which is essential in many experiments. Now let's move on to a device that's all about light, the spectrophotometer. This tool measures the intensity of light that's absorbed or emitted by a substance. It works by shining a beam of light through a sample and then measuring the light that emerges on the other side. This allows scientists to analyze the substance's properties, such as its concentration or its reaction to certain wavelengths of light. So, whether it's sterilizing equipment or measuring light, these tools are critical. Mixing substances or cultivating cells, you ask? There's a tool for that. Let's dive into the world of beakers, petri dishes, and Erlenmeyer flasks. These three are the unsung heroes of any laboratory, facilitating a variety of critical tasks. Beakers, with their cylindrical shape and spout, are the go-to for mixing, stirring, and heating liquids. Their wide opening allows easy access for stirring rods and thermometers. Petri dishes, on the other hand, provide a nurturing home for cells and microorganisms. These shallow, lidded dishes cultivate life in a controlled environment, enabling scientists to observe growth patterns and behavior. Last but not least, the Erlenmeyer flasks. Their unique conical shape allows for easy swirling and mixing of liquids without risk of spillage. They're also great for heating, given their thick glass walls that distribute heat evenly. These tools truly bring science to life, don't they? As we've seen, science wouldn't be the same without these crucial tools. The microscope, allowing us to examine the minutiae of the world invisible to the naked eye. The centrifuge, a high-speed spinning maestro, separates substances based on density. The Bunsen burner and spectrophotometer, one creating an open flame for sterilization, the other measuring the intensity of light absorbed or emitted by a substance. Our trio of mixers and cultivators, the beaker, petri dish, and Erlenmeyer flask, each play their roles in stirring, heating, mixing, and cultivating cells. Each of these tools, in their unique ways, contribute to the vast expanse of scientific research and discovery. They are the unsung heroes of the laboratory, the silent partners in every scientific endeavor. From the smallest microorganism to the largest astronomical phenomenon, these tools help us understand our world in ways we never thought possible. Next time you hear about a scientific breakthrough, remember the humble lab equipment that made it all possible.